I used to have chicken tacos in my hair. They used to be everywhere. They used to be chicken tacos in space. But they ran out of all that space. And chocolate chicken tacos went extinct. Why did they go extinct? But I don't care if the chicken taco goes everywhere. And I don't mind if the chicken taco had time to run away. To run away. To run away. Chicken tacos with sour cream. Chicken tacos from my dreams. Chicken tacos in the sun. Chicken tacos, so much fun. I will drive real far to have chicken tacos in my car. I gotta have them chicken tacos. If you've listened this far, you already know. You already know. But I don't care if the chicken taco goes everywhere. And I don't mind if the chicken taco had time to run away. To run away. But I don't mind if the chicken taco goes everywhere. And I don't care if the chicken taco has time to run away. To run away. To run away. Run away. Run away. Run away.